welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at sandwich basket from Akaki's picnic basket series. This puzzle was designed by Akaki Kuumeri from Japan. The sandwich puzzle was 3D printed using a biodegradable PLA. Difficulty level of the puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the basket and then put them back all inside the basket. At a first glance, it seems like not a difficult puzzle since there are a lot of openings here and you can easily remove all parts. Let's try to do that. If you tilt the puzzle, you will find that all pieces are can be removed. Now you can hold any of the parts and try to move it. You can't do that. Probably you think that I can move 3 at the same time. Nope, I can't do that either. I can hold this piece and move it one step here, but then no other moves. I can move it here, but then again, I can't do any other moves. So it's quite a tricky puzzle, even though it may look not so difficult. The sandwich puzzle is a part of Akaki's picnic basket series. There are 10 puzzles in this series. And you can buy all of them at puzzlemaster.ca. You can buy a separate puzzle, or you can buy a set of easier baskets and a set of more difficult baskets. So if you like the sandwich picnic basket and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.